Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Quotient Each G9000 Pro Gaming Headset. There is an image of the headset right on the box, as you can see. A lot of information here. This particular headset comes with gold-plated 3.5mm 4-pin plug. It's compatible with laptop, PC, mobile and tablet. From the image you can see that there is a microphone, a swivel type microphone attached to this particular headset as well. We will take a look at some of the other features. On this side we have some more features, so just give you a closer look. There we go. Over here it says the speaker size is 40mm. Basically the audio driver is a 40mm driver. Sensitivity is 105 plus minus 3 decibels. Frequency range is 15 Hz to 20 kHz. That's also pretty decent, pretty standard. And cable length is 2.1 meters plus minus 0.15, which is like maybe 10 centimeters here and there, more or less. So that's more or less it. Let's open this particular box and show you what's inside. This is what we find inside the box. First up, this is the user manual for the G9000 gaming headset from Quotient Each. Everything that you need to know, you will find it here. There's also a diagram which basically details out the different components of this particular headphone as well. Let's take a look at the headphone itself. Okay, we've got a plastic sheet over here. I don't know how. Very weird. I'm going to get rid of this plastic sheet to give you a better view of this particular headphone. It's obscuring quite a bit. There we are. So this is what the headphone looks like. This has a glossy black or a piano black finish over the cups right over here, and there's a matte black finish on the headband. It is obviously a gaming inspired design. There is a Quotient Each logo right over here, this particular logo, and it's written Quotient Each over here. It has a bit of a metallic shine over here as well. This is of course plastic with a metallic finish, but the chassis underneath seems to be made out of some kind of aluminum or metallic alloy. So what else do we have? The ear cups come with this. The ear cups have this cushion. It's a very thick cushion. In fact, it should be very comfortable when you put it on. Same with the headband. The headband also has this foam right underneath. We also have this swivel mic. This is around 120-degree swivel that it comes with. Do we have anything else? Like I mentioned, it's an extendable headphone, so you can extend it. Not a lot, just this much. It's a pretty thick headphone as well. You can see that the headband is quite thick. This is nearly 2.5 inch to 3 inch in thickness, and the cups don't really swivel, but there's a lot of flexibility involved in the headband itself. This is made out of PVC, by the way, PVC plastic. What else do we have? This is the 2.1 meter long braided cable that it comes with. It's a good thing this is braided cable. This will not get tangled very easily. Braided cable, when it gets tangled, it's easy to pull it off. We have a volume rocker right over here. This is a volume rocker plus there's also a switch that will mute the mic. There you can see you can mute the mic by pressing this knob over here. And this is of course a volume rocker. And on the other end we have a USB-A plug and a 3.5mm port, 3.5mm jack. This also comes with covers, which is a very nice addition. It will keep these particular ports, so these particular jacks protected. Here you can see it. I'm going to plug it to my laptop right over here. Let me just show you my laptop. There you go. I'm going to plug it to my laptop and test the sound. See if this works and how it is. So there we go. The USB is in now for the 3.5mm. This particular headset is aimed to be used with a laptop or a PC, because or even a gaming console, because both these jacks needs to be plugged to the device for you to operate it. And by the way, the moment I plugged them in, it started glowing with these RGB LED lights. That's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Quotient Each G9000 gaming headset. Thank you for watching.